If you have an FL5 Civic Type R and haven't touched your intake yet, you're missing out on power. Today, we'll be discussing the Mishimoto Performance Intake for the Civic Type R, along with getting into the perfect add-on upgrade, which is the Turbo Inlet Kit. The Civic Type R comes with an awesome 2-liter 4-cylinder engine from the factory. Unfortunately, Honda made a compromise. In comfort mode, the engine is quiet. In sport mode, sound is plumbed in through the speakers. The result of this is an air intake that we found was extremely restrictive compared to what was possible. We 3D printed multiple iterations of the airbox and validated those on the flow bench. With our final design, we achieved an 18% reduction in restriction over stock. After validating our prototypes, we put the Type R in the dyno. Our airbox uses a sealed design, pulling in fresh air from the front bumper, which enables consistent results every time. Arguably the most important part, the sound. We did extensive road testing with both the stock and the performance intake. Let's see how they compare. Installation-wise, it's extremely easy. It can be done in under an hour, you don't need to lift the vehicle, and all you need is some common hand tools. Our performance airbox is an awesome improvement over stock. But if you want to take your upgrade even further, we additionally designed a turbo inlet pipe. Our design features a heavy-duty cast aluminum construction, and we were able to smooth out the bends in the process, resulting in a 17.2% reduction in restriction. It's available in 2 wrinkle powder-coated options, either black for an understated look or red for that Type R appearance. And just like the intake box, it's a complete direct fit mod. We designed both of these products to last, which is why they're both covered under our lifetime warranty. Each one of these products provides substantial improvement over the stock design. Paired together, they're the ultimate upgrade for your airflow system. With that, we'll leave links for both the air intake and the inlet pipe in the description below. Make sure you subscribe to stay up to date on future videos, and we'll see you in the next one.